Hi guys, today we're gonna make crystal trees. And you need something to protect your eyes, like glasses and gloves.
Right here. So that's all we need.
And this box is everything we need. Let's open it.
Okay, let's open it.
First, you need this crystal growing liquid and washable markers and these little paper cardboard tree things, and then 2 of these plastic things, and then another of those. We need to color this any way we want. These are washable markers. However you color your trees, they're gonna look the same. So like if I color it all purple, it's all gonna be purple. Or different colors like green, pink, yellow, it's gonna be green, pink, and yellow. So you can choose your own pattern. So you wanna color each side too.
After we're done coloring, you have to separate these little lines, if you can see. So, like this. Why we're doing this? Because the crystals need to grow. So the crystals will come out of those.
I think it's better coloring both sides the same pattern. There. See, I did that? That looks nice. Adriana colored hers all pink.
Yeah, I want it matched. Is it bad to color it pink?
What?
I'm asking you, is it bad to color it pink?
No.
Oh no. Well, it's not bad.
That's why I can color it.
So now my crystals are going to be all different colors, and it's going to look really cool. So there are some cracks here. See, there's one right there, and there's one on the bottom. So what you do with those, you go like this, you put this in between that 2 trees, and you want to make sure that falls in the line, and then you slide it down like that. And then you want to put it inside one of these plastic things. Now we're going to open the crystal growing liquid to protect ourselves.
So we need to protect ourselves because chemical could be very dangerous.
So you want your glasses
And your
something
gloves.
to protect yourself, and
Your
your
eyes.
gloves. You don't want the chemicals to go on your skin because it might
Burn.
sting.
Burn.
Or burn.
Or burp.
Don't delete this part. Okay, so you got your
Burp.
glasses on. And so now, after Adriana's done putting her glasses on, we're going to get some of this, just a tiny bit, and you're going to pour it on top of your tree. And then you're going to pour the rest of it on the bottom, on the base, until it's halfway gone, halfway through, because you need enough for 2 trees, and you need to remove the foil too. There's foil. Should we get a plate over it? Yeah, we need to get a plate over this. You also need scissors for later.
Something.
Open this right here. And place it all right in the middle.
Cut it.
Oops. That's why we need gloves and glasses. So, just a tiny bit on the top. Oops. Okay, and the rest we're gonna pour on the bottom. About halfway through.
Now we're going to put it on the rest.
In about 30 minutes, the crystals will begin to form on the tree. In about 6 to 8 hours, the crystal trees will be fully bloomed.
Be very careful with the tree because the crystals are very, very fragile.
No, we're not done.
No.
Oh. Luke, don't, shuck. No.
Hi guys, it's been like 2 or 3 hours, and this is what the crystals look like. We think that, see, the water's all gone. Oops. And this is really fragile. So we think it's done, and we're gonna try to feel some of them. Feel this. Now, our giraffes didn't go pink for some reason, and it's just really cool to see. Oh my goodness, it's so fragile. I wish we had a magnifying glass. It's like cotton candy. Seriously, it's like so squishy.
Does it taste like cotton candy?
Ew! I would be tasting markers.
Yeah.
See how soft? See, like, if I touch this, just with the glove part. That is what happens.
It's very flatter. Cause like very flatter. Do that is like crumble. Well, no. A little.
No.
No smell? Adriana, why do you think that yours did not turn so pink?
Because and I didn't put that much color.
Oh.
Yeah, you need to color it really like over like 2 times. This is a box that we got. So it's like it's a National Geographic thing, I think, right here. And it shows instructions right here. I hope you enjoyed watching how to make the crystal trees, and I hope you do this activity at your house too. Bye bye.